My sprinkles, creating YouTube intro videos are not as tasking as you think. It is very easy to create and you can save it straight to your phone and use it whenever you want to use it. It is very easy and it doesn't disappear from your phone. Keep on watching this video and I will show you how I create mine and how you can create yours. And you can do this over and over again. Save them as many times as you want. Create different designs and do whatever styles you want to do on your intro. Okay, this is very quick and easy to learn. Just keep on watching this video. I will put you through in the process and in seconds you will create different kind of design of video intro for your YouTube channel and for your social media platform. Okay. Hello sprinkles, welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on everything YouTube improvement tips and how-to videos. If it's your first time of coming across my face and seeing my channel, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating content on my channel. If you're doubting me, please go through my other content to confirm this. In today's video, I will talk about how to create aesthetic YouTube video intro. Please keep on watching to learn. Okay, my sprinkles, to create YouTube intro videos are very simple and easy. In fact, in few seconds we are done. There are different ways to create YouTube intro videos. You can use the free already made template and add in your own creativity, or you can design from scratch. Anyone that is okay with you is good to go. Different people use different apps and there are lots of apps out there that you can use to do your video intro. Some apps are free while others are paid. The one I'll be using is free and it is very easy to navigate and use, and that is the only app we need to create our YouTube video intro, and that app is called Canva. With all this being said, let's go straight into creating our video intro. Okay, let's go. With this app, all you need to do is go to your device. This app works on any device. So we all know Canva, and if you don't know, this is how Canva looks like. And you click on it and it takes you to the interface of Canva. This is how Canva looks like. It looks so beautiful and you can do anything and everything on Canva. Okay, now next thing we need to do is to go to the search bar here on top of it. When you get to the search bar, you type in aesthetic YouTube video intro. Okay, now let's type that in. You wait for it to come out and this is it. You just type in that and you type search. You click on search and it will move. Wait for it to load. Now when it opens up, you will see so many options here that got this. I have a video where I talked about these options in depth, so look for it and get it. Then our aim, you will see many templates. They'll bring out so many templates. You just pick out the one that best suits you. Okay, now there is pro and there is free. You have to pay for it. Has pro crown on it, while the one that is free doesn't have anything on it. You can see paid, that is pro, and you can see free. You just choose the one that best suits you, but we are using the free version and the free version can give us a lot. Okay, before you click on a video, you can watch it first from here and you see how it looks like. So you just keep on watching till you get the one you like. Let's click on this, then wait for it to load. Now, when it gets to this point, you can add and change whatever you want. Mind you, if you don't want all these templates, you can also create a free empty one, then you design yourself. Okay, then this will just add, do little touch up. Maybe we'll add our videos here. We'll replace, you click on replace, then we replace the video. You can add a video. Now you can replace all these videos with pictures if you want. Okay, can replace all of them with pictures. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to replace them with pictures, then we'll see. After you've chosen your preferred picture or videos, then you replace them with the ones that come with the templates. Then the next thing is to write your YouTube name. We are going to change the font and reduce the size. Just watch as I do it. Okay, I will use sprinkle of donor as example for this video. First thing first is to change the font size. After choosing the font size that suits you, what I will do next is to reduce the line spacing of the text and make them come together more. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, at this point I want to pick out a color, and I want to choose a color that suits my style and my YouTube brand. Okay, I pick out black. The next is to fill in what your YouTube channel is all about. Example, what kind of videos you want to post. Mine is YouTube improvement tips and how to video. Watch as I write it. After writing, the next thing is to reduce and change the font. So I will go and select my favorite font that we use. Then after changing the font to your satisfaction, you move to reducing the font. Okay, you're going to make it smaller, but after it has come together, it will become bolder. Okay, now next is to go to the font size and reduce the size. Okay, you have changed your font to your satisfaction, you reduce the size, you follow the lines there and arrange it so everything will be equal. Okay, just watch the video and see how I do this. After writing the kinds of videos we're posting on our channel, the next is to write when we'll be posting those videos. It could be weekly, it could be every Sunday, it could be every Friday. It depends on what you want. To write it there and arrange it to match the template. Okay, at this point we are through with everything we need to do. Just make your final arrangement and adjustment and put everything in order, and that is it. You just watch and see how your video has turned out to be. Isn't this beautiful? Now take a last look at our video intro. The next thing we need to do is to save our video intro, and it goes straight to our phone after we finish saving it. Okay, just click on the download and it start downloading, and it will save straight to your gallery. You can always come back to Canva to edit or change the design or change the text or change up anything you want to and save back. It will be in your gallery and it will also be on the Canva app. Okay, as long as you're registered with them. Okay, now go to your gallery and watch your video intro. Now this is how to make a beautiful YouTube video intro. Bye guys. I sprinkles, this is the end of this video, and I know you got value as usual. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Any section you don't understand, leave all questions in the comment section. I will definitely answer because I love interacting with you guys. At this point, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you have not liked this video at this point, what are you waiting for? Please give this video a huge like, and please don't forget to share my video. This will help my video to go out to more viewers, and YouTube algorithm will push my other content to more viewers. Okay, please don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section. Okay, and please don't forget to stay safe out there. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.